the Dark Mage. Start the Dark Mage here. Today I'm gonna be showing you my Hunger Games map. As you can see, the platforms are down. And I'm the host, of course. Your lovely host. Let me put these in and delete these. Your lovely host, the Dark Mage. The Dark Mage. My gamer tag is destroyed for some reason. Dang it. But I'm really the Dark Mage. Look at that. My sword just slices right through glass, sir. Well, since I'm in the host, then that's all the stuff. And which I'm going to fly there. Boom. I got bow, arrow, 4 arrows. What I'm going to do is actually I'm going to place a stack in that too. And then I'm just going to add a little stack. Good. Iron sword. And then in the middle you have Smite 1 sword and some better boots. Iron axe. A wooden shovel and some hippie power. Diamond leggings. Flint and steel. I'm just gonna place that in. And boom. Your diamond helmet and your diamond leggings are by each other, so. And the host gets all this, since it's the host. Anyone who tries to threaten the host for armor gets killed. Pretty scary, huh? Oh, and the host gets repair tools. Repair tools. And of course, the Dark Mage is epic. For making this map. If you want to see my real skin. The Dark Mage. It's from the texture pack the mashup texture pack Mass Effect. So I have the Dark Mage. It's not really called the Dark Mage. It's called Vitality, Zora, Naraya, Mass Effect. So I better put this armor back on in case someone joins and breaks in here and starts wrecking everything. Just blah! So I look amazing since I'm the Dark Mage. The Dark Mage. Epic. The Dark Mage. 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 I said Dark Mage. Dark Mage. Dark Mage. Ow! 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 Stop! The Dark Mage. Did y'all get all of that? Let me get my headset out of the way so y'all can see. Alright. Why do I... I need an animal, sort of like a mob that I can name. Oh my gosh. I remember you. Bill. Bill. You're the host with me. You really need armor, Bill. Let's just do this. Alright, Bill. I wish there was low namers so I can just name him Bill. What's up, Bill? Bill, look at me. Look at me, Bill. Bill. Hi, Bill. What's up? What's up, Bill? Ow, you put your horn in my face. What's up, Bill? You don't have any host. You know what I want you to do? I want you to get out of here and stay out. That's your job. There we go. Pretty much that's all for today. Show me my Hunger Games map. If I get enough likes, I'll show you how to make it. For real. I will show you how to make it if I get enough likes and subscribers. The Dark Mage! Look at me just shining in smoke. Oh, and the host, of course, gets the Ender Pearls so they can go out there, quickly kill someone, and then they can just aim for the host place. Now, I didn't add Ender Pearls to chests because they might get in the host's place. Too bad there isn't pressure plates. Like, by that, I mean too bad there isn't, like, pressure plates that you could put on there just straight up. Wait, can you do that? Nope. I'm just going to surround these parts with this crap. I think it'll look amazing. Boom, boom. Oh, maybe uneven, but it took me a lot of work making this. Oh no, we need to get the Bill in here. Bill. Oh, what's up, Bill? Bill, don't be sad. I'll get you a mate later. Alright. Let's Ender Pearl into there. Let's see if I can make it. Hey. Boom. Boom. Push the spark in. It's not. Oh. How do we change that to a pressure plate? Wait. No. A button. There's slimes. No, there's creepers. There's like 3 of them. Let me get iron blocks. Okay, that's not going to work out well. Let's just work on the inscription. The Weaver. Dang it. Boom, boom, iron block. Or budget block. So that's what I've been hearing. Boop, boop, boop. And dodge! Ooh, Bill is playing! Bill! You go, Bill! But no! Head towards the chest to get the stuff. Dumb Bill. Bill! Go, 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 Bill! Ow, ow, ow! Suicide! Ooh. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. That's all for this time. That's all for this time, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you at least comment or like, then I will teach you how to make this. I will teach you how to make this. Well, I'll teach you how to make the middle part. You can just go out there, explore, and make the middle part. Bye from the Dark Mage.